How you doing? With the Yankees? All right. Billy, Tommy. How's the wife, huh? She's good. All right. Chuck.
Hey.
All right.
Hey, boss, how you doing?
Doing good, Chuck. Good to be alive. All right, let's see what we got here. Hey, come on here, huh? Johnny, Chuck, let's go. Hey, you two, come on. Let's go. Well, look at these prints. So, hey, put some pep in your step, baby. Come on. All right. See, we got the A-frame right here, and we're going to kind of move it over. 13 steps to the right over here to the T-frame. We're going to go over there, and we're going to remodel the whole thing. Then we're going to come over here.
Hey, boss, I'm sorry I'm late.
Achoo! 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 Y'all are fired! Ping! Get in here!